Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about these food trucks from American Diorama. I believe these are the first vehicles from American Diorama they release. I know American Diorama for their figures and accessories for dioramas. And now they have these very cool food trucks. There's also a white version. I only ordered the best burger ever and the tacos. Limited edition, Mijo exclusive 1/64 scale. That is what we want. Here we have some information. We can see American Diorama is active on social media. Here we got the barcode and article number. Is there a downside? Well, I didn't open the package yet, so we have to check. Looks very good already. The only downside I think there is, it doesn't come with any figure. And if you have a company that makes figures, why not adding a figure to it? Or a couple. So I hope they will come with food truck figures. That would be very cool. Feels very heavy. This is all die cast here. Also here on top we have side mirrors, very strong side mirrors, painted front lights, good rolling rubber tires. Let's see, let's switch to the detail mode. This is the burger menu. Bigger, better, bolder. We got the back. It's a plastic base. It says American Diorama, but it wouldn't surprise me if this is coming from the Greenlight or Johnny Lightning factory. I think we also have an opening part. Yep. Let's see. Yeah, we have a kitchen inside. Looking very cool. How's the interior here? Good steering wheel. Yeah, good interior. In my opinion, I like that. Very cool. Okay, let's put this one right here. Like I said, very good rolling wheels. Now we're going to have a look at the one with the tacos. There we go. Taco truck. And here we got the back. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Really nice colors. Yeah, the artwork is fantastic. I like that. Dia de los Muertos. Oh, cool. American Diorama has those figures from Dia de los Muertos. So we can add those to this food truck. Here we have a white, air conditioning, and also for the this here in the kitchen. Same kitchen as the other one, but because this here, we can see it a little bit. Switch to detail mode. Yeah, we can see the lines here because it's black. It's difficult to see, but here you can see it. Very cool. Same interior, same base, double wheels in the back. I like that. Okay, let's add some figures to make it a little bit more realistic. So I got this set. This is a new set from American Diorama, the Fanatics. American Diorama should make a food truck set with a cook, maybe a table, you know, where you can eat your food in standing position. Whoa, I want... Oh, yeah, I already thought so. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, they got the biggest burger I've ever seen in my life. I'm going to do this different. I'm going to make a nice setup, and then you will see the results. So I made this setup. The only thing I'm missing is a cook in the kitchen. But for the rest, it's kind of okay. Those Fanatic figures are pretty cool for using for a food truck. And here the taco. Dog on the roof. Skeleton. There on the edge of the kitchen. Children looking at it. Mommy and daddy waiting outside. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, we definitely need some American Diorama food truck figures. A cook for in the kitchen, table, and some people eating tacos and burgers, French fries. That would be very nice. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. See you soon. Bye.